The Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama Kids Mercedes Marathon is an innovative fitness program designed for children kindergarten through 5th grade. We aim to teach children the importance of a healthy lifestyle and developing good lifelong exercise habits. The 5-month program focuses on building endurance, walking, and running.
We incorporate it into our everyday as far as warm-ups and distance running, like sports unit during our PE classes.
Gets the kids out moving, gives them a goal to accomplish. You know, just to be able to go out and that finisher's medal gives them really something to look forward to.
Over the course of the program, children run the distance of a full marathon, 26.2 miles. To achieve this goal and qualify for race day participation, where they run their last marathon mile, kids must train between September and January by running a total of 25.2 miles in quarter, half, 3/4, or 1 mile increments. The race is timed so each child can check their progress from the start of their training. There are no official winners. Our motto is, if you had fun, you won.
As far as physical activity is concerned, and that's what we're concerned about most nowadays, is to make sure the kids are physically active and run for a cause.
Students run in PE class or with a parent and keep a running log sheet to track their progress. Mileage is based on adult supervision and the honor system. As each child completes their final mile on Saturday of the big race weekend, they are presented with a Kids Mercedes Marathon Finisher's Medal.
I think it just helps promote a healthy lifestyle and just get out there, exercise, and enjoy the outdoors.
Well, Jordan was so excited. She even encouraged her sister, who's in 1st grade, Jada, to run. She was saying this is a good way to get some exercise. She's been encouraging me to eat healthy, and this is an awesome opportunity for all of us today.
Almost 5,000 kids crossed the finish line in this year's race, making it the biggest race to date. Let's make the next race even bigger by encouraging children to participate in the Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama's Kids Mercedes Marathon. It's a fun way to teach our kids how to get healthy and stay healthy. For more information, go to mercedesmarathon.com.